a nice big batty foreigner buy our house in a gated community. You move come to Jamaica, you want to hear somebody say, psst, browning, cock up in fatty, because your body look nice. Some woman love that. But when you're in a gated community, people can say, yo, I feel like a prison because I'm isolated from regular conversation. So in today's video, we're talking about gated community. Paradise or prison? These are the two comments that I see fluctuating over my feeds. People are saying, oh, now I live in no gated community, I prison that. While others are saying, I wouldn't have it any other way. This is my paradise. You see me? So we're going to jump into a few factors as to why it would consider paradise and why it would consider prison. And again, just like I always say, choose your heart. In this instant, choose your paradise and choose your prison. Right? Paradise now. A lot of persons might see it for paradise because of the security features that a gated community offers. You see me? That is paradise. Because when you think about paradise, you think about what you call it, Hawaii, or what a nice country that I of Bali. And you're on top of a mountain in an infinity pool, right? And you have the floating breakfast. No, you're up in a mountain top away from all troubles. You feel secure, you feel at home. You don't see no what if badness are going. You see me? You don't see no what if people around, so you feel secure. It's like paradise. Bridging their work. Yeah, man, it's like paradise. You see me? You know how you let go of your stress and everything. You feel at home. That's when you're in the Bali. That's when you're in the you call it the 5-star hotels. You feel security, and that's what a gated community provides. Mind you, a gated community does not, just like how a seatbelt does not protect you from an accident, it just prevents you from getting badly damaged in an accident. A seatbelt stops you from going forward too much. You see me? So that's the thing with a gated community. It provides that gate with a security outside that somebody have to go through before they get to you. Nobody can just pop up your yard. You have that sense of feeling free. You see me? So that is the paradise side of it. You see me? Now, how will this consider prison? Obviously, it's a gate. One way in, one way out. What else sounds familiar? An actual prison. Prison. Just like the security guard have to know. So if you are coming in with a woman, or you are coming in with a man, the security guard know everybody you bring in and out because they have to see what going in the car. So that is that the prison feel where a lot of persons wouldn't like. But again, you have to choose your prison, you have to choose your paradise. So would you rather somebody to know when you come in and out of your place, where you know say them are the same person who will protect you in and out of that place, no, in that place, versus just having one house with your own free will and nobody know your business, you go in and out as you please. But when you sleep, I wonder if nobody are going to pop up your yard. So it messes with that feeling of security. So that's where people can argue, say it's prison or paradise, the security feature. Because you feel like, why am I have to tell somebody, say, yo, my mother come check me? Why am I have to tell somebody? You see me? It's like you have to give permission to get visitation, which is like a prison. Many gated communities are being built around Jamaica. That are gated communities aimed at mostly foreign investors, not mostly regular everyday Jamaicans. Because let's face it, a house in a gated community, everyday working Jamaicans will not be able, everyday ordinary working Jamaicans will not be able to purchase a home in a gated community. So most of these places are targeted to returning residents, to investors. So we understand that. And who afraid of Jamaica more? People who are not living in Jamaica. Jamaicans who have been living abroad are afraid of what's happening. But the persons who are currently living in Jamaica are not really looking towards going into a gated community like that. because they're already used to what's happening in the country. But if you're forced to, or you're drawn to, or you want to go back to Jamaica, you want to feel like you're in America, Canada, or UK, which is slightly more developed. So a gated community, it offers these. You see what I say? So if you're overseas and you live in a condo or you live in a one of them community there, when you go back in a gated community, it gives you that sense of familiarity. You get me a forward from? So the investors who are making this place, they know. And right now, whoever build these gated communities, they need to start sponsor me, But at the end of the day, I really do this for Jamaica. I'm really do this for you because I know you want to move back home. And you want to feel like you want to be at Jamaica, you can go out just like as a tourist, you go to the hotel. But you want to be one of them tourists who go enjoy the activities and chill with the locals, as they would say. And nothing no local about we, but me get to where I come from. If you're going to take it from an educational standpoint, if you live in there, you're local. Because I'm local in Canada because I live here. Local. So they want to go out and go chill with the locals, whereas the hotels are going to just provide a shuttle bus and bring it to a designated tourist area. Whereas you want top of the roadside, damn piece of the jerk fall, you see me? You want go swim in a one river versus a beach, you see me? So most people want to in a gated community and then go out, go experience the regular outdoor life, and then no say then just come back and feel secure sleeping at night. You see me? So these are the people who me know it a target. So don't feel like me sit down as like a big buffoon and say, yo, but Jamaica, this is mostly engaging to the persons overseas. And trust me, I have things for who live in Jamaica. Because I make video for everybody. This channel is not one-sided. You see what I say? Yeah. So the paradise part come from the security aspect that you can sleep peacefully and know so nobody can pop up. The prison part come you have to make the security know when your mother, your sister, anybody that come visit you, they have to go through a channel before they reach to you. And that remind people of prison. So most people are saying, yo, I don't want that because that's a prison, where most people are saying that's what I want. Because here in Canada, people stretch out their hand and beg you $1 on the street, a homeless person. But if you say no, then just go about their business. In Jamaica, a man will stretch out his hand. You walk around the road and circle you back again. Like you never know, say you ain't just ask. Or they will probably want this you. So 6 of one, half dozen of the other. Just two worlds, two different things. So when they're in a gated community, when they're Canada, people not going to just pop up here. Whereas Jamaica, a man knows you come from foreign, they might come link you. They not even ask you if you can come check you, they might come check you. Whereas not everybody want that. Some people just want to just relax. And if you come check them, you can't come check me if you don't have my number. You see me? Because you can't pop up at the gate and say, yo, you John over there, man, I'm a dog, man, me I go link him. Security I go say, me not see in the book. You can't go to prison, you see me? And say I can link your bridging and your name in the book as a visitor. So me get where the comparison come from, paradise or prison. But again, enough people are willing to have that paradise that feels like a prison, but it doesn't feel like a prison to them. It will feel like a prison to the person who don't want to have these restrictions. The second point of paradise versus prison can be the enhanced amenities. We know we touch upon a little bit of that. So the enhanced amenities can pop in and say, oh, Jano, I don't have to go pay for a gym membership out there, so. The gym is right here. I pay a fee that includes a gym, so I can go to the gym. The pool is right here, so I don't have to go down at the beach. Most of the beaches in Jamaica now, you have to pay if you go upon them. The few free beaches are not at the best quality. So you have a pool where properly maintained and clean because you pay a fee, a maintenance fee. The pool come with the thing. Most creative communities, they have a gym where you save yourself for an extra $5,000 because if you go on a regular gym in Jamaica, 5,000, 5,500, some gyms, some are 5,000, some are 5,500. Now, you eliminate that, you have your own gym in the complex where you go anytime you want. Some of them kind of limit you in the gated communities because they close off at certain time, but you get to the drifts. You don't have to pay one extra $5,000 because you have your gym where you can go at the convenience. You just walk out to your house. You save on gas, so you don't have to drive go to the gym, you walk go there. Most of these gated communities, they have like a supermarket there. You see me? Where you don't have to go to the shop and them are gonna give you one different price because you're a foreigner. You live in a gated community, the price is listed on everything. You have to sell you the same price for them sell everybody in that community. Whereas you go down and shop, I'm in a box money out a shop man more. Them are gonna tell you say, oh, $100 for this. 150 man, your price, good price. You get my afford from? So persons don't want to have to go through that. They can just go down to the market, pick up two things and then Charlie and know say them are gonna get charged for what it's worth. So that is the paradise side of it, these amenities that it has to offer. When you check out the prison side of the amenities that the thing have to offer, some persons may feel isolated. Them are gonna say, yo, me just itch up in here, so I want to go out this and go to the shop. A woman now, a nice big body foreigner, buy her house in a gated community. Or just a big nice body foreigner move to Jamaica. I know say the man them a foreign, nah too flirt with them certain way. You move come to Jamaica, you want hear somebody say, psst, browning, cock up in fatty, your body look nice. So some people in my class, I'm doing school right now, I have a classmate who say sometimes she just get up and go to Starbucks just to have conversation. So some people just want to actually interact. Because when they're in a gated community, most people are lacking because they just want to relax. But some people now would have find it a prison, even though they have all the amenities that they want. Some people that find it a prison because they want to interact with people more. They want to go to the road and get flirted on. You see me? Want to say, bro, in your cock up in, especially for a heavy set women, where Jamaican man love so. When they get in a gated community, most people in the gated community will have the foreign mindset where they're not going to say certain things because even though they are Jamaican, they're afraid because they're going to say, Jano, me know say it can be sexual harassment. Where some of the woman them love that something there. The regular man who live a yard now pre that as sexual harassment because our culture man say, oh, mama you fat up mother give you something for carry for 9 months, mother give me baby right now. Some woman love that. You see me? As long as you keep it respectful and you're not going like you want advance yourself on the people. But some woman love that something there. You give them a rush. When the man them see them and tell them what part of them cock up and fat up and run. You see me? So it takes away that isolation from them. But when you're in a gated community, people can say, yo, I feel like a prison because I'm isolated from regular conversations, isolating from going out, meeting people, being flirted on, or even being able to see more people I can talk to. You see me? Whereas most people just want to kick back. So that's where the comparison with isolation come in and the prison vibe versus the paradise. Whereas the next person would see that as paradise, say, yo, it's a paradise. I can go down and say I have a gym there. So another person would want to go to the gym and see a bunch of different people from all walks of life. Whereas when you're there at the gym in a gated community, it's less busy. You see me? And that is a good thing for a lot of person, myself included. My life I go to the gym and know so I can have machines available. I don't have to sit around and wait. Whereas if you go to your local gym, chances are when you go at a peak hour, person are going to do their workout. Even though you pay $5,000, you may not have the convenience fee. Can use the said machine where, and that will make your blood get cooler in the mood for workout again. So for me, I see that as that an paradise to me because I just want to go and work out, come out and go about my business. Whereas the gated community provide that. But the next person, they don't mind figure this out. You see me? Going at the gym where they must see other people interact again. You can look upon two nice, sexy girl. For the woman them, they can look upon some nice fit man. You see me? So that even make them work out better. Whereas if you're in the gym in the gated community, just they by yourself a workout. When you're in a gym, you see more people and move around. Even though you don't have the machine for use, you still get the motivation because you look over. You see one girl with one body where you as a woman that want. You say, what? Me have to work out harder. You look over, you see one man looking at one certain way, you say, this is my aspect to be. You want to work out harder. Or vice versa. You look over and you see one girl as a man and you say, what? Mama look good. And you try to impress her and you pump iron like a dog. And you look over and you see one man and she try to impress her. Mama go cock up the bump up and left a little bit higher. You know, then girl they will slump on the side of the sink because they want the bumper look higher. So the woman they will go in there and they will actually work out because they want the potential mate to see them. Because some people are going to be single and I look for somebody to mingle. So the paradise prison come in again and you have to choose it. But make you understand why some people would consider it paradise and prison. You get my fault from? Gated communities are targeting returning residents, investors from overseas, or even if you're an investor in Jamaica or someone in Jamaica who wants to live in a gated community, what that provides is like a tight-knit community. So, you come like, you on YouTube. Me, I talk about Jamaica and people return. This is a tight-knit community because you can relate because you're looking to move back home. I give you the information, good and bad, where you can decipher from that and say, okay, this one more, this one I don't want. That's what I get to come in. Whereas if you go up on YouTube now, YouTube that come like the whole Jamaica. So much information out there. Whereas this person might have talk about crime, this person have talk about entertainment, but it's not facilitating your need, which is you want to hear exactly about, okay, what are the do's and the don'ts to move back to Jamaica or what we want to do. So whereas when you come on my channel now, my channel come like the gated community, where it brings you as a tight knit, where everything may attack, it is catering to your needs and your wants. You get me a fault from? So that's a tight knit aspect of it. So in a gated community now, tight knit part, you can have people where move from overseas. Let's say you have a bunch of people live in a place. 5 people from Canada, 1 person from Canada buy and recommend it to their friends from Canada. Now, you have other Canadians who know about Canada and can understand things from your level. 5 American, 5 people from the UK, you call people from British, 5 British, you see me? So now you have that tight-knit community where people can relate and understand where you come from. You see me? Yeah, man. And then now, most people in this community again are investors, returning residents, so they can relate on so much factors. So now you feel belong. You feel like you have a set of people you can understand it. Because again, go back to previous video I make. Enough people in Jamaica go feel like foreign are the best place until they live here. So we the persons who move here can go back and teach. So when they're in a gated community, you eliminate that. Your neighbor can relate to the stress we used to go through a foreign and how good it feel just to come and sit down on your veranda and just have a drink and just a look. Just a look in you know, nothing else a look so. Your neighbor over there and he look and he give you a nod. And you know what that nod means. Say, brother, this is the life. You look over this up and you see the breezes are flowing so. Whereas you go out the road now and the next person, you say, man, you move like a frightened Friday, brother. We see this every day. Where you go along so far. You see me, they can't relate because them don't know the struggles of living overseas and the whole pressure and the mental and the get up and work every day. And I must say, this man I come from foreign for in Galanga and tour Jamaica and sit down and I cock up on foreign and I take and I smell brace and I smell the air and I drink. Man, you Galanga out no. Your neighbor over there and he goes so. Hey, bud. You see me? And your neighbor can just give you a nod and you know what the nod means say. Yeah, man, feel nice. We feel peace. We feel at home. You see me? They can relate. So you get that tight-knit community. We don't have to say nothing. And a person can understand you. You see me? You can network better with the people who are in that community because one, it gives you a trust factor because you know say, okay, that person will invest. Remember, you know, good and bad can invest in a gated community, but for the most part, your brain are gonna put you to the positive and say most people in a so are about their business because obviously you cannot be in a gated community if you don't have your finances intact. And if your finances are not a certain way. So persons will be more open to share ideas with you because they say, yo, they see you on quote unquote on their level. You get my fault from? Because you don't know as much as all some people are ignore it. It is a social status thing. In Jamaica, we never live in a gate. You know what? I could leave that's for our next point, probably the final point, isn't it? But how can that be that is paradise for a person? Because you have that tight-knit community that is paradise. All right, that can become prison because the rest of Jamaica can look in and say, hey, over this come go on like I show the rich have, you know, let's say you have all the kids now and in go school with a person who doesn't live in a gated community. Them are going to look for your picnic and say, oh, them better than people because they live in a gated community. Sure. Now, your kids may know everything. I want to have a conversation and they want to separate them and treat them like prisoners because they're going to say, yo, you can't relate, man. You can't relate to where I go with over. Even though they know about, because I don't know why people do this. We all, boy, Roger. Yeah, man, I'm me, man. I'm just chilling, bro. Move for use your Wi-Fi. Who you, man? I'll link you. I'll soon link you, bro. We're just comfortable in that parking lot. But yeah, isn't it the goal to work harder than our parents? Well, not harder, to work smarter than our parents, our family before us did, to provide a better life for kids them? That is the goal. Why do you go to go to the best colleges and try to get the best degree and get the best grade? It boils down to one thing. Backside. Hey, God, good enough. Thank you, God. God just give me all these video ideas. Money. You see me? It boils down to one thing. We do all of this for money. I'm going to make a whole video on that. That's a good idea. I like that. Should I write it down now? No, I left that for now. But yeah. So, why is it that when you work so hard, put your child in a gated community so you know see your child safe, because everybody wants safety for them child. One next person I go shame you into, oh, you're uptown boy, you're gated community boy, and your parents say my bond that sell it. But why you going to shame the person? Isn't that what we all want though? But me get it, I play devil's advocate, me get it. Because a person will shun what they don't have until them have it. You see me? So you beat a person bad because I live an upstone lifestyle where that is the same thing that you work hard to achieve. So why you gonna shame a person because they have what you don't have? Just look at it as motivation to get your own. You get me a thought from? So yeah, a lot of persons may see it, may feel like it may seem as a segregation. And that again is of a prison. When they're in a prison and somebody out the road, them are going to consider themselves better because they have freedom. But what is freedom? Freedom starts in the mind. You can be in a prison. And for some people overseas where they're in a prison, they feel free because why? Me show you in a previous video how in Canada, I'm going to tell you, say, why you not come to Jamaica, how the person on the street as a homeless person, they would love to be in prison right now. Why? Because they get a hot meal, they get a warm place to sleep, especially when live in a place with a climate with snow and below the place. I see one video on the internet the other day where somebody like they make video where they free people in prison and they free a man and the man cuss him dirt. Dirt, the man dirt up in name and say, brother, why you free me? I want total stranger and then just grown and just petition to get people out of prison. Man say, my youth, I had a place to sleep, I had food to eat. When I was out, I had nowhere to go. So, even though it's prison, it's freedom for some person. Because now they don't have to worry about bills. They don't have to worry about where they are going to sleep tonight, where they are going to eat tonight. You see me? Whereas people in outside are going to look at that person in a prison and say, you're better than him. Whereas you outside you struggle to pay a bill. So it creates that sense of isolation. So paradise, prison. You get where I'm from? Final point of this, and you can leave in the comments where your thoughts are on the whole prison paradise when you come on to a gated community. So the final point is, with a gated community, the paradise aspect of it, it's well maintained. Whereas the prison aspect of it, it feels too overly conformed. So most of these points are similar to whatever I listed in number one. So you feel isolated, and then you feel like you have to tell somebody when your family are come look for you, and then you also feel like, say, hey, I want a man, tell me when I come link me come down and pop up on my place. These points make sense. So this final point is a well-maintained environment. You see me? When you live outside of a gated community, you have to find somebody to cut your lawn. You see me? You have to paint up your place and do all of these things, and these things can be costly. Mind you, you still have to pay a maintenance fee in a gated community. But this is more maintained. You don't have to go out there and constantly source somebody to clean up the community. When a Christmas time comes, see Jamaica, how we have to wait for the government to clean up the roadside and whitewash up the place. No, in a gated community, you pay a fee for the month, and they have people come in and maintain the landscape and the dignity of the place, so the place have to look uniform. A lot of persons like that. You see me? Enough people out there, I'm not one of those people. You see me? Some people out there, they cannot function without proper structure. Me just wing it. And it works for me. Some people, they have to have everything pen to paper right down, or else they now go focus. So when you have a gated community and everything is in order, a lot of persons thrive off of that. Whereas the next man I say, oh, I not pay nobody for this. I want to do it myself. I want to go out there go source these things myself. I'm too conform. Like, you see me? Like, you feel overly conform where everything is just rules. Because some people, they don't want to follow the rules. And then that's it, that as prison. You see me? A child with them parents and a child without parents, the child with them parents, I look on the child without parents and say, yo, I wish me had a life there, no man, when me can't just get up and do what I want. Whereas a child with them parents say, I wish me could have one family where care about me. You get me I say? Where would I want to tell me say, go on, you bed at 7 so you can wake up for 8 to go to school or whatever the case is. So who live in the gated community at times can look over upon who not live and say, yo, we don't have that freedom here. Who live outside and looking upon you. So sometimes I know bad mind people, bad mind, you just live a life for them. And the life where you live, you don't see where you live until so as somebody go point out and say, I wish me that live that way. And even you who live in a gated community, would I probably want a different life. You see me? But it's the life that you have right now you have to go and work with. So sometimes, no matter what we have in our life, we are human beings. We always crave more. So you will live over here, say, I do this. And if man look on here and say, oh, that life, then they aspire to live, you might look on somebody else and aspire to live that life there. So that's why it's important to just get grounded and just say, yo, give thanks for your have. Don't be complacent, but be satisfied in knowing that, hey, I have this, and be ambitious and driven for know, say, yes, I have this, but I desire better for my life. Because my better can be more and be better than me that the last year. Somebody, my better is somebody's best. And my best is somebody's worse. You get my thought from? So as what Bob Marley say, money is numbers, so we run down these things. It's a constant chase. It go back to the mental part of it. At the end of the day, does it make sense to you? Paradise, prison. So do you want somewhere that is well maintained where you them take away the hassle from you, just give somebody like in Canada here? Most people would opt for a condo versus a split attached or a semi-detached home. Why? Because they don't have to worry about the maintenance. Because over here, say, if you don't shovel your snow or rake up your leaf, you can get a fine from the city. Whereas when you live in a condo, that's taken care of, especially if you're an elderly person. You know, if you have the hustle and the bus, if you think, well, home I go clean, go shovel my driveway. So most elderly persons, when they reach a certain age, they either move themselves into a group home or they find a nice like a condo where they have these things that it's taken care. Most people are moving back home into a gated community. Or again, we make a video upon that, who are able to move back home. The retirees, who are older persons, and persons who own their own businesses. What do these two people have in common, you may ask? When they're in a gated community, are they in a condo or them places, you're a retiree, you know what, if you have no only for work for this, so the gated community take away that stress, then do the work for you. You just pay a fee. You see me, when you're one of those entrepreneurs, you don't have to do too much work because your time is money. So guess what? You pay somebody to do all of that, so you take away that. And who are occupying these gated communities? As I'm saying at the beginning, the returning residents who have it or persons who are investors. Now, when you're investing, you don't want to go out there go source people to clean your yard and maintain this. The community association deals with all of that stress of you, so you can focus on new projects to make more money, and vice versa. You're older, people deal with that stress this year, and you can just relax on your veranda with a drink in your hand and you start look out. Whereas the next person, on the other hand, that see that as prison, say, brother, I don't want nobody to do everything for me, I want to do it for myself. Because again, I want to learn if you can figure out how to source for the best job, if you can cut my lawn or whatever. You get my thought from? So, you see it? Person can see it as paradise, person can see it as prison. You have to decide upon that one, you see me? But at the end of the day, what it come down to is what is paradise or prison in your head. What is paradise for you? Maybe prison for someone else. Prison for someone is paradise for the next. So we can have this debate all day, every day. But at the end of the day, as I say, gated community is being targeted at investors and persons who are from overseas who just want to maintain a similar lifestyle and then choose gated community. So if this did make sense, don't forget to leave a like on the video. Leave some comments below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Get my thought from. And say if you love my vibe, hit subscribe. You see, until next time, thank you very much for watching. Safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself. You have to work